It's a winter time, so that's why I want to cook something that make myself warm. I'm thinking about the scene in Dorohedoro.
よし
Let's make mushroom soup.
I use both dried and fresh shiitake mushroom because the dried ones have a deep flavor that can be used as a soup base. However, I prefer the texture of the fresh ones. After soaking in the water for 4 hours, I strain out the mushrooms and add more water. To boost the soup flavor, I add the tuna flakes and boil for around 4 to 5 minutes. To create the soup, I use food-safe kitchen paper because the flakes are quite fine. I then add mushrooms, carrots, and season the soup. If you can't find mirin, you can substitute it with a half tablespoon of sugar. And you can also replace mushroom sauce with oyster sauce. I'm not sure what the brown thing that Kaiman add is, so I just use my favorite ingredient, tofu. The final ingredient is leek. I simmer until carrot is soft, typically around 15 minutes. I know when speaking about Dorohedoro, people would think about gyoza more, but this soup is very nice too.